very big dream. Congrats. So, hi Lil, how are you?
Go piano!
How does it feel to, smile all the time in the pageant, for the entire pageant?
I feel blessed.
You're feeling blessed. Okay, anyway parang nag-timeline. Sige na, take a question.
Go piano!
Piano. Ano piano? Okay. Parang dami mong fans dito So this is your question. Do you think architects are paid enough? Do you think architects are paid enough? Why or why not?
I'm thinking that architects are paid enough because if you really love what you are doing, you're not be in need with money or such things as material things, but you're here to serve people, not to be served.